You are fucking lucky I'm not fucking taking your fucking knees out down this fucking car park, son. I'm fucking telling you now. Because that's a fucking mood I'm in. Believe me. Now I'm telling you.
Yeah.
See what happens in this car? See if I hear anybody fucking talking about it, mate.
Yeah.
I will take your fucking head off. Do you fucking hear me?
Yeah, mate.
Right?
Yes.
This is the fucking last of it, son.
Yeah,
You fucking do what you do.
Yeah.
You make up what you need to fucking make up quickly.
Yeah.
You work your fucking dad off.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, see, next time I come back, I'm taking your fucking legs off.
Yeah.
Only because that's my fucking mate. And only he is my mate, I will be taking your legs off.
Yeah.
That's it. Finishes here.
Yeah.
I promise you.
Yeah.
That's it, over and done with. I'm not coming back near you.
Yeah.
You fucking make improvements.
Let's get the fuck out of here, man. I didn't fucking. Let's get the fuck out of here, mate.
Neil, I'm sorry. I didn't put you in that
You
position.
didn't fucking turn me up, mate, but fuck me, I'm shaking like a leaf here, mate.
I'm sorry.
Right, fuck me. Josh, you fucking.
You're lucky that's all choice.
I'm sorry.